Greetings, everybody. How are you today? Today I want to do a video about NASA's asteroid redirect mission. As we know, we just had an asteroid miss Earth by just 0.10 lunar distance on January 18th. Alright, it was asteroid 2018BD, which used to be 2009 BD. They just changed the name. So, if this asteroid, see, my computer just does what it wants. If this asteroid 2018BD was just discovered 7 hours before, okay, hang on. Alright, we'll just leave it at that. They discovered it 7 hours before it passed Earth. My question is, okay, here's an orbit. If they, like I said, they just discovered this 7 hours before it flew past Earth, then how do they know its orbit? Obviously, they knew it was there because they have its orbit. Look at the date down here, 2017. Alright? This was last year. So, it was not discovered 7 hours before it flew by Earth. Understand what I'm saying? That's impossible. So, what is possible is NASA's asteroid redirection mission. I am really sorry about the quality of that video, but there was nothing I can do to make it work. So on to the article. This came out March 31st, 2014. NASA, I only have a little space to work with because of all these advertisements. NASA's plan to lasso an asteroid, bring it into a stable orbit near the moon, and let astronauts visit it might sound ambitious. But the space agency is looking at two different ways to make it happen. One mission, a robotic probe, would fly out to a small asteroid and bring the whole thing back for astronauts to explore. Now, doesn't that sound absolutely ridiculous? All right, why would they need to bring asteroids closer to Earth if they have the technology to go out towards the asteroid? All right, so we've got a little bit of more NASA deceptiveness BS. All right, like I said, how could they have just discovered an asteroid 7 hours before it flew by Earth and know its orbit? I don't know. I'm not an astronaut, but that sounds impossible. Okay, so, alright, one mission, obviously robotics. Okay, they're talking about robots, putting robots in space. That's what I see here. Maybe they'll send Sophia up. Now, wouldn't that be funny? Sophia, the robotic astronaut. Anyways, would fly out to a small asteroid and bring the whole thing back for astronauts to explore. The other mission involves the robots again. So, they're using robots. That means humans can't get out there. Okay. Involves the robot bagging a boulder from a larger space rock and parking it near the moon. Either one will help scientists. Well, good. Seems like our scientists nowadays need all the help they can get. Help scientists work out some of the technological hurdles that they could come up against while sending humans deeper into space than ever before. The new mission, first proposed in 2013, could also help researchers learn more about how to deflect a dangerous asteroid if it were on a path to Earth. I'm just going to scroll down here. One idea for the asteroid retrieval mission hinges upon finding a small space rock that's relatively close to Earth and bringing it a little closer to home. I don't know. I don't think I like that idea, you guys. I think that's a stupid, scary idea. Alright, for this concept, engineers would design a robot that would seal an approximately 32-foot, 10-meter near-Earth asteroid inside a bag and deliver it into orbit near the moon. Here's what I'm talking about. Asteroid 2009 BD is a valid candidate for this mission. Alright, I know they changed it. 2009 BD is actually 2018 BD. Right? They are the same asteroid. So, possibly the near-Earth asteroid that just happened on January the 18th was an asteroid that they brought closer to Earth and put it in the orbit near the moon. That's my take on it. You know, all of a sudden, we've got asteroids everywhere. All of a sudden. Well, I don't think it takes a NASA rocket scientist to figure this shit out. They're bringing asteroids closer. Why? I don't know. I can't really prove it, but I believe it. All right. And let's go on here. Under the current mission guidelines, the robotic probe would launch in 2019. Alright? Whenever they say stuff like that, will be launched, and then they give a year, assume that they've already launched it. Alright? That's what I found out. It's already been launched. And they're already bringing these asteroids closer to Earth. They can't bring larger ones, but they can bring smaller asteroids near Earth. And I'll tell you, I think that's frightening. I think these guys, just when you think they're evil, you find out they're even more evil. So anyways, that's my take on all of this. I could be wrong. I could be right. But Asteroid, nah, hold still. Oh boy. I've been having a lot of problems. But Asteroid 2009, I can't even highlight it. Up there is Asteroid 2018 BD. Alright, everybody. That's all I've got to say for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Heads up.